Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a gripper you can close for 8-12 reps. This targets strength without injury. Once chosen, place the handle in the base of your fingers so force travels through the knuckles. Make sure the thumb opposes cleanly. You should warm up for 3-5 minutes with light squeezes and wrist mobility. This increases blood flow and reduces tendon strain. Start with controlled, full-range closures. Count each rep and breathe steadily to maintain tension and rhythm. Continue by establishing a stable tempo and set structure. You should do 3 sets of 8-12 reps with 60-90 seconds rest so muscles recover between efforts. When executing each rep, close in about 2 seconds, hold the peak for 1 second, then release in 2 seconds to train both strength and endurance. Make sure you keep the wrist neutral and drive force from the forearm, not from the shoulder or elbow, because this isolates the finish by planning progressive overload. Every 2 weeks increase tension or reps by about 5–10% so your tendons adapt safely. Once done with training, cool down with gentle finger extensions and light massage to aid recovery. If you hit a plateau, track reps, tension, and hand placement to find small changes that restore progress. If sharp pain occurs, stop immediately. Ice and drop the load by half for 1 week. Then resume with slower progression to avoid chronic injury.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.